Hello everyone. So today let's see what is in store for you, guidance for the day. Again we shall do pick a card. So this is card 1 on the left and the card 2 is on the right. I shall give you all a couple of seconds to decide which is the card that you feel guided to for today's guidance. Okay, so let's start with card 1. Let's see what is the divine abundance saying. Clearing. So maybe you need to work on clearing your unwanted energies. Also, if there's any cluster at home, try to clear the cluster. Also, try to trust the divine and let go of any unwanted energies or any unwanted thoughts which have been prevailing in your mind, and because of which the things which you're planning is not happening. But let's see what the cards are going to say. Three of Cups. So maybe you need to enjoy life, you need to love yourself. I feel this card is talking about self love, enjoying doing things which you like doing, meeting people, going out for some time, and just being yourself and not worrying about finances, personal life, or anything for that case. So that's what I feel, because based on this card I'm giving this reading. So let's see what is the next card saying. Okay, beautiful. So you need to even take a break. So the card is again an indication that you guys need to take a break. So maybe if you cannot take a longer break, if you cannot leave your work and go, then maybe a small break, like a couple of hours, go for a walk, do some meditation, or go to some beach and spend some time in the water, and you will feel relaxed and you will feel good. Today wear something in pink, because it's a day of self love. So wear something in pink, and today in the morning chant Om Shri Mahalakshmi Namaha 108 times, and if possible carry a clear quartz with you for clarity of mind, and burn a diya. Now burn a ghee lamp. In the ghee lamp, what you can do is you can add a cardamom and a clove. Now let's see what is the fortune card. Okay, now that's a luck. There is a change of luck. So maybe things will come in your favor today, and you will feel happy that it is working in your favor after a long time. So that's for card 1. Let's see what is for card 2. Now let's see what is card 2. Inner power. So you need to work on your inner power. You need the courage to get things done, because sometimes we need to work on our energies in such a way that we should build the confidence, and we should work to achieve whatever it is that we want. So let's see what the card has got in store. Prince of Swords. So maybe today there will be, I don't see this as a fighting card, but I see this as a warrior card. Maybe there are some work which is pending in your office, which you will be like a fighter and you'll finish it. Maybe some of you are going to talk about your appraisals, are going to talk about your promotion. So basically you need to open out and talk. You need to muster the courage and tell them what you desire, and then only you will get what you are actually looking at. Now let's see what another card is saying. So the way I'm saying, if you do, there is chances that things will fall in your favor and things will go good. Today I would suggest wear something in white, and carry a rose quartz with you, so that anything which is unwanted gets converted into positive energies. In the morning, have a bath with rose water, and have a bath with rose water, and when you're having a bath with rose water, say, I attract all the positive things in my life, so that only positive things will come for you. And other than that, what you can do is, today in the morning, burn a lamp with gingerly oil, not ghee ka diya, with gingerly oil. And with that, what you can do is you can chant Om Gam Ganapati Nama, so that, sorry, I had to put a pause. Chant Om Ganapati Namaha, so that whatever is the obstacles which is coming in travel, it is going off. Let's see what is your fortune cookie. Achievement. So the card is reconfirming that achievement is going to happen. Though it talks about health, I feel this is a card of achievement. So have a blessed day and take care, and God bless you all.